Next technique that I'm going to demonstrate is really easy. I press Alt Q. Oh, let me press this one. Exit the isolation mode. Then what I'll do, I'm going to unwrap the UV on my walls. Let me press M key to get the material slate editor. Select the, go to the top of the hierarchy and then select the wall and apply the assign material to selection. Here we go. See, then I press Alt Q. Have a look at this one, guys. Okay. See, these are the problem area. Okay, other thing is I just want to clarify. I should have told this one before. If your object is being grouped, you can't apply the UVW unwrap modifier to the group. What you got to do, group and open. Then you can select the individual object that you want to apply the unwrap the UVW modifier. Once you done that one, once you unwrap, then you can close the group. Then you can go back. Okay, let's talk about this topic. Okay, now I want to unwrap the UV of this wall. There's a really simple technique. First, apply the UVW unwrap modifier, but only this technique is going to work if only boxy shape. If your model got the 90-degree angle or 45-degree angles, okay. But if your model looks like a circle, like a barrels or something else, it's not going to work this one. Okay, it's really going to work the primitive shape, not the boxy shape ones. Okay, I'm going to open UVW modifier, open UV editor. This one is open. See, this is my UV editor. It is not in understandable way in any mean. What you could do, make sure you click the polygon. You don't have to select any of those, just make sure you click the polygon, then tool or mapping, flatten mapping. Okay, leave the default setting as it is, then press the mapping. See, that's all. So one click, done the job, guys. See, this is the unwrapped version. What I did was I select the polygon, then apply the flatten mapping. That's all I did. It's been fixed because my job, sorry, my model is look like a box. It's like it's only got the 95-degree angles or 45. So that technique is really suited to this kind of models. If you haven't got that one at the first place, let me do. Let's get the other object like this one. I'm going to do the same thing. Apply UVW modifier, unwrap UVW modifier, then open UV editor, which is this one. Then apply the flat. Make sure you in the polygon mode, the mapping, then flatten mapping. Here we go. These are the UVs. Then you could apply, I should have applied this one, the material slate editor. Here we go. What else I could do? Let's do this one. Okay, if in here I can see the shell modifier it's been applied. What you got to do, apply the collapse the modifier, then turn this one to editable poly. You can unwrap the polygon in the editable mesh, but it's always better. It will give you much more option if you apply use the editable poly. Then open UV editor. It's here. Then make sure you're in the polygon mode. Then mapping, flatten mapping. It's okay. Here we go. It's unwrapped version. Then you could apply the checker pattern and check it out. Here we go. That's all good, guys. Then the next one, what I want to demonstrate is how to copy UVW modifier. Have a look at this one. If I demonstrate, because these two objects are the really I made the one object, then I hold down the shift key and I copy like this. Okay. Therefore, it's the same object. If you have a same object in your scene, you can use this technique. You don't have to apply the UVW modifier to every single object. You can copy and paste it. Have a look at what I am doing. Select this one, then apply assign. What I'm trying to do, assign material selection. This. Okay, that's right. Then I'm going to apply UVW modifier. Here we go. Then open UV editor, which is over here. Make sure you're in the polygon mode. Mapping, flatten mapping. Okay, see, I unwrap the UV. That's why this look like this. See? Okay, I unwrap the UV of that version. Then really quickly, what you could do, copy, right click and copy, then you can paste that one to this object. First apply the checker pattern. See, at the moment checker pattern look like this, and paste, click the top of the hierarchy, paste. As soon as you paste the modifying there, it's been done, it's been fixed, guys. Okay. The next one is unwrapping the, you can do the same technique over and over to these bars. Have a look at, I'm going to apply, I'm going to select all of these bars. Let me select. Okay, then apply the UV assigned material. Okay, just unwrap the one UVW modifier, unwrap UVW modifier, then open UV editor. It's look like this. In here, because my object is look like a cylinder, what you could do, instead of apply the flatten mapping, because it's look like it is a circle, circular shape, cylinder, select all the faces, okay, I have selected all the faces. Then you can apply the cylinder command. See, cylinder map. As soon as you apply, you can open the UV editor. Open UV editor. Okay, so here, so it looks like this. Then to fix the UV like checker pattern, make sure you select the free transform mode, then you can exit the cylinder map, otherwise it not let you transform like that. See, now you get the cleaner checker pattern. It's all good, guys. You unwrap, then what you could do, copy, select the next object, paste. Here we go, paste. Okay, that's how we do it. But for something like this, it's a bit hard. If you try to apply the cylinder map for this, because I changed the vertices of this one. Try to apply the cylinder map. Sometimes it's not work properly. What you can do, you can apply the flatten map, something like this irregular shape. Okay, I'm gonna apply first apply the UVW modifier sign. Okay, it's look like this. Then apply UVW modifier. Here we go. Then what I'm gonna do, open up the UV editor, find the UV edit UVs, open up the UV editor. It's look like this. Make sure you go and select the polygon, then mapping, flatten mapping, press OK. Here we go. You can't see this is the UV of this version. That's really good. It's good enough. So UV is being fixed. You can do the same thing to here. If you're wondering how to unwrap the doors, it's the same thing. They apply the flatten mapping. If I do one, I'm pretty sure you know how to do this one. Anyway, I'm gonna be too good. I'm gonna apply the modifier, then open up the UV editor. This one, you can see the UVs. See, this is how it's look like. It's not, can't understand where these bit and pieces are. Therefore, mapping. Okay, make sure you're in the polygon mode by click this one. Then mapping, flatten mapping. Yes, okay. Here we go, guys. It's looking really good. Okay, that's how we should unwrap the UVs in this object. That's all about this video. Next one would be the lamp post. Okay, guys, we've done most of it. Thank you.